ìyìn ògo yẹ ọ́. mo dúpẹ́ o bàbá mi ògo yẹ ọ́. èmi tí wọ́n bàtà kí wọ́n fi ra tùpá lọ́jọ́ sí. mo wá dẹ́ni ajítanà wò fún aráyé. mo wá sọ mí dayọ̀ mo wá dayọ̀ lóyìn mọ́mọ́. ọ̀rọ̀ mi dijó ẹ wá bá mi yọ̀ ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́. ẹ wá bá mi yọ̀ lónìí ayẹyẹ mi. mo rọ́jú rere ọlọ́run ògo yẹ ọ́.
You are welcome. This is RSS World. Now, this is my eldest sister, Mrs. Adio. She was fourth set in RSS, fourth set. And she was head girl in the final year. That was in 1954. She was head girl. Now, this is my set at RSS. We celebrated our 60th anniversary in 2019. We were...
Okay,
yes. Yes. Ọ̀rẹ́kọ̀yà, Ṣọ́lárù, Ọ̀nàfùwà. Yes. GOC, yes. That's another Ọ̀nàfùwà in blue. Yes. Another Ọ̀nàfùwà in blue. From Ogere.
Your senior
Ademeno, yes. Who died recently. Yes. So that is, we were together for quite a long time, but unfortunately, out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, out of the 9 of us, I think about 4, 5 of them here have passed away since we did this anniversary.
This one has gone.
In fact, that one has gone.
So it's Kabesi, just you and Kabesi, sir.
Yes.
Just the two of you.
Yes.
And make it all them.
Yes. All the rest have passed since 2019. So that is why I said in my writing that many of us cannot have any class set anymore.
Yes, sir.
So although Professor Dada is still very much alive, Kayode Dada, yes, he was in our set. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Only one, and that's the lady there.
That one.
Yes. Only one of us did not attend RSS.
Oh, wow.
So I'm still waiting for a family that will beat that record. Yes, of 8 of us attending RSS.
Wow. That's laudable.
When we joined RSS was tough. Baba Dada was a tough principal. And we had Baba BK. I don't know how many of you remember him. Shura Meko. Then Baba Bonkom. Baba Adelowo. And Baba Okusanya also. There was another Okusanya there who specialized in caning people. And they used to call him Baba Kuku Muton. Because when he gives you portion to cut and it remains for Kuku Muton. So RSS used to be very funny, very nice. And in my set, we had what is called the Tennicoit Club. I don't know whether it exists anymore. Up school.
RSS.
Baba, we are standing to greet you and to thank you. On behalf of our national president, Are Adetola Emmanuel King, and the entire ESCO of the RSSO Student Association, we bring you greetings. We are happy to be here today, sir. There's a saying that some decades, nothing happened. and in some weeks, decades happen. This is a very auspicious moment for us to come and tell you, to come and acquaint you with the workings of this RSS at 80 Central Organizing Committee. So once again, we appreciate you, we thank you, and we extend our love and best wishes to your family, to your wonderful wife. Back in May, this committee was set up to midwife another landmark anniversary in the life of RSS, our dear alma mater. And at that time, I was appointed the Director General of the committee, and we quickly set in motion all the structures that we felt we needed to have a very successful RSS at 80 project. And we've been meeting. We've done quite a bit. We've done our program of events is out there. Our various committees have been meeting. We have strategies for how to deliver a very impactful and colorful RSS at 80. But we still need, no matter how beautiful your plan is, you still have to put people behind it, the human resources and the financial resources. And that's where we are right now, trying to harmonize our positions, how to fund what we have coming up. We are still soliciting for funds. We are soliciting for people to take up projects and with naming rights. We are soliciting for corporate sponsorship. We are soliciting for even goodwill, materials in kind and in cash. We are soliciting. And God willing, we are going to get there. This committee was given a mandate, and I'm sure with the caliber of people that RSS has produced, that should not be too far-fetched to achieve. So we are getting there. We know we will hit, not only meet that target, but exceed it by the grace of God. What are we using this fund for? Not just for rice and beans, not just for drinking alcohol and having fun fair. And we want to improve educational instructions in RSS. We want to improve the environment. We want to create a conducive environment for our young people to learn, for the future generation to learn. The opportunities that we didn't have, we want to provide those opportunities for the ones coming behind us, because the future is very, very challenging, more so than when we were in RSS. We want to improve instruction, the quality of teaching in RSS. We want to train and retrain our teachers, because if we don't train the trainers won't know what to train the trainees. So, and those are the things that we are committing the funds to doing. Right now, a lot of projects are ongoing in RSS, and I want to use this opportunity once again to appreciate one old student, and that's the person of Are Adetola Olaonepepo Emmanuel King, our national president. That guy is just phenomenal. He doesn't stop at anything when it comes to spending on RSS, making RSS better, and he's been proving that he's an able leader in everything. He has shown leadership, and we're very, very proud of him. He's a young man, but we're very, very, very proud of him. Once again, we want to thank you for everything that you've done for us. Baba, Yoruba bọ̀ wọ́n ní wọn wálé arúgbó lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́. This is our Ankara Aṣebi for RSS at 80. Very colorful, branded. We want you to wear it on that day, sir, with pride. So, sir, it is my pleasure this morning to decorate you with this our Ankara as a token of our appreciation for all that you've been doing, for all that you've meant to us, and all that you are going to do for us. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, a máa rí yín bá, may I now invite my
Before
DDG?
you do that, let me call my better half.
Okay, sir.
Because without her, I'm nothing. So let me bring her in, and I will give you a secret when she comes out.
Okay.
This is the one and only.
Thank you. You are all very welcome.
Thank you, man. I mean,
The secret I want to let out today is that today is our wedding anniversary.
oh, wow.
Coincidentally, when I chose the date,
Yes, sir.
it didn't
It didn't
occur to me
occur
at
to you.
all.
Wow.
So it was during later on and even today that I said, oh, today's our wedding anniversary and you people are coming.
Yeah.
So,
How many years, sir?
how many years that you have tolerated me?
54.
So she has tolerated me for 54 years only. You see how lucky I have been?
We want to decorate you as a grand brand ambassador for RSS at 80.
So, on behalf of the national president, Are Adetola Imane King, and all ESCO of the RSS Remo Secondary School Students Association this season, and all other members of RSS at 80 COC, I am presenting this to you, sir, as a grand ambassador of RSS. On behalf of our national president, Are Adetola Emmanuel King, and all the COC member of 88th RSS anniversary and entire member of RSS, we want to present this Ankara to our darling mommy, Remo Secondary School, stand for the light. Remo Secondary School, stand for the light. We live the way of God and for the light.
Àwa ìkẹ́nẹ́ alára ibi owó gbé ń so.
Letter from the RSS at 80 COC, and we basically what we're inviting you to the occasion, and we also.
I don't need an invitation.
Okay.
Because it is my occasion. It is my event. Doris Afejuku sends very sincere acknowledgement and greetings to this group for visiting me, and he wants me to give you her greetings. She is a very active woman, very, very diligent, and very, very interested in how RSS is doing, because she believes that RSS made her what she is today. So my friend Professor Kaode Dada also sends the same greetings. So thank you very much for coming.
Amen. Amen.
On behalf of the national president, Are Adetola Imane King, the deputy president, our director general, and the ESCO here, and every one of us, we want to appreciate you, sir, for the time and for the hospitality and everything that you have done for us since morning and this afternoon. We want to say big thank you. Lágbára Ọlọ́run a máa rí yín bá. Àfọ̀n agbókó tó wọ̀. Ọjọ́ yẹn á dalẹ̀.